fill pot with water and then bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, take your eggs and place them in very gently. Put the lid back on. Wait a few moments for it to boil again. Once it starts to boil again, we set the timer for exactly no more than 9 minutes. After the timer goes off, turn off. Let's grab it, throw it in the sink. Immediately cool the eggs down. Once cool to the touch, grab it, chop it up around the edge, and then just break the halves off. And they come off perfectly clean. There you go, perfect egg. Perfect egg. Rinse, repeat. This one's already even done. Just popped off on its own. Boom. Perfect. Rinse them off. Line them up in the container. There you go. Almost a week's worth of breakfast or snack. Enjoy. Perfectly done. Soft, but cooked through.